Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use on-screen keyboard on MacBook Air M5. We can toggle the on-screen keyboard on by accessing the accessibility shortcuts. To enter accessibility shortcuts, we have to press Option, Command and F5 buttons simultaneously. This will open the accessibility shortcuts, and here we're gonna have to select accessibility keyboard, hit the checkbox next to accessibility keyboard, then click down, and this will open an on-screen keyboard on your display, and you'll be able to use it just like you do with the regular keyboard, except for you're just gonna have to click on your click using your trackpad. Now, the other way to open the accessibility keyboard is by going to the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen and opening System Settings. Here we're gonna have to go to Accessibility and then find the keyboard here in the Mother category. Open Keyboard menu and find Accessibility Keyboard, toggle it on, and this way you will enable the accessibility keyboard too. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.